I have all the parts ready to assemble my welding cart. I'm gonna step by step show you the process. You can see they got a nice directions. I'm gonna start with putting the axle for the wheel and putting the tire on. Very simple. All the parts come with the product. Very easy to use and assemble. Show you here what it looks like when it's put together. And easy to thus far easy to install. You got to make sure you don't over tighten these bolts, and so nice and easy on these, and you'll be successful. When working on the top shelf, it's important to follow the directions. It's clearly stated to leave your last bolt out here, and this will help for the installation of the bracket for the handle. I'm now installing the brace to the handle with the large bolts and getting that ready and secured in place. So again, that handle there is very sturdy and a lot of structure to it. I have my welding cart assembled now, and you can see here how nice it is. Very, very nice. Went together with ease. Everything screwed together like it said. I want you to notice you have the front rack here with the chains for your acetylene tank. You have this top for your welder to sit on. You got the down piece or the middle rack here for any other gadgets. You have your side post here for your welding cables. A nice handle. You can see how nice it glides here and rolls for your garage or your shop. This went together again very easy. Nice cart. I can't wait to put my welder on it. I found this on Amazon.